Okay, you see that massive crowd of people up there? That's the way it always used to be, and it looks like it is again today. And Iz and I are going to try to get through that crowd.
Are we? All right, let's do it. Let's go.
Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Ready to go. I'm right behind him. And it looks like we got a little bit of leeway that we can both navigate in here at the moment, but I don't know how long it's gonna last. Get my bag. This is Carmen right here. Got other stuff coming along, so you have to navigate around it. And now you can start to feel that crowd. See how everybody is kind of pushing. And now we're kind of catching that bottleneck. Oh yeah, now we're catching it. This is the way it used to be, and then you always got strollers and you got people pushing things. And then you also got some food cart stuff over here too. See if we can see Iz anywhere behind us. There he is. Just gonna try to capture that. So I think that was kind of like the bulk of it right there. We got so much other stuff. So we got like older ladies, we got suitcases, we got strollers. Oh, just kind of captured it real quick. So that's kind of the bottleneck right in there. Then I'm going to try to catch it from this angle up here. So that's kind of the bulk of it right there. And we haven't seen this since COVID, since before COVID. COVID just put it all to an end, and then for the last 3 years, just been, I could walk up here with nothing, nothing like this. So we're gonna keep on navigating on up. Yeah, there's always people bringing things down too, so that's gotta be a challenge. The iconics of all the ruins. All right. All right.
And just to remind everyone, it's Tuesday. It's a Tuesday.
That's right. Tuesday.
It's gonna be wild during the weekend.
Oh, I can't even imagine it. Yeah, Chinese New Year. Yeah, and you got like, kind of got like suitcases everywhere again, which we haven't seen suitcases in quite a while. Delivery packages. Oh, there you are. I was looking behind
you. Lost me in the crowd.
Back to the way it used to be. And I'm just going to come up to the base here, and then I'll put the camera around, but this is a legendary Sao Paulo ruins. And yeah, before we'd always have all these crowds of people up and down the steps. Lots of photography. Yeah, look at all those crowds. So there's this, you come all the way up. Yeah, and if you go to these sides, there's kind of like a road where cars will take you, but there's like nice cobblestone everywhere. And I guess we're just gonna end this one right here. So it's definitely crowded again. We are gonna go down the same way, which is good because that was only 3.5 minutes. Usually I like to get about 7 minutes. So we're just gonna go down the same way again, catch it from a different angle. I will just get you down to the bottleneck part again. Got lots of suitcases. You got some people selling things. Tour packages, I think. You got people crowding around getting these little snacks that we see everywhere on the sides. These guys must have been hurting the last 2 years.
Oh, yeah, no. I'm surprised they stayed open the whole time.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, although there's like a bunch of little beef jerky places all up and down this road. So here's one right here. So basically this beef jerky is insanely popular for tourists because they usually give you free samplings. We also got some more over there too. So we got these ones that are also samples, and then this one as well. They are busy. And this you're gonna say?
Yeah, so I used to say back in the day, you used to walk by here and they offer you all the snacks, and you could just sort of take snacks from the entrance all the way to the ruins of the fall. It was incredible. Delicious.
Those days are back.
They're back.
So yeah, basically they'll just give you free samples. So like must be at least like 20 of these, and there's so many tourists as well that they can't, like during COVID, everybody sees you coming down the street, so you couldn't really just go from one to one to one.
Yeah.
But now you can do it easily. Like every one of them is just
Pack, look at that.
packed.
What is he selling?
Those are just the same ones as far as I know. Yeah. Yeah, that's just exactly the same thing. Look at they got smiles, you know, it's like people are like, must be really tasty. Hello. 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 Actually, that's the best view right there. That's the best view. Hello. So I'm gonna walk down a little bit. But we got more here too. Yet another one. Yeah, no wonder there's bottlenecks. There's so many snacks. There's no wonder there's those thick. I think half those bottlenecks are just from those snack places.
That guy was giving them a huge piece of jerky.
Yeah, I saw the smiles on their
back, huh?
Yeah. No wonder people.
Yeah, no kidding.
They had big smiles on their faces as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So definitely it's crowded again and lots of tourists. So I think what I'm gonna do is just there's like so many people, we'll just keep the camera going for a little bit more. Yeah, and actually for all the videos that I do, like the ones that are most popular are these ones. This street, talking about like crowd sizes. But it is a good topic, and actually the energy is so different now than before.
Yeah, I watched the last one you did while I was still traveling.
Yeah.
In this area.
Yeah.
And you should compare it side by side. It's so great.
Oh yeah, it's a good idea. Oh, it's a really different experience. Okay, so I think we're gonna end it there. So
all right, guys.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye bye.
Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la voz divina.